Yes, I would like to share this a very powerful strategy on how to predict the positive movement of the GBP pairs, meaning GBP JPY, GBP CHF, GBP dollar, GBP Canadian dollar, GBP Australian dollar. But in this case, I'll be only using the GB. I'll demonstrate on the GBP US dollar. So the strategy goes as follows. We will only use a very clean chart, a plain chart, where there will be no indicator involved in our chart. Yes, so in this strategy you will be able to detect the positive movement of the market, whether it's a sell or a buy, whether it's a reversal. Using this powerful strategy, I'm telling you, you will trade, you'll be able even to hold for long using this very powerful strategy. So the first thing that is very important in this strategy, you need to first identify the trend of the market. First identify the trend. For instance, just look on my chart. We'll start on the weekly time frame. If you have identified the trend, it will be easy for you to start drawing the trend lines, drawing the support levels, the resistance levels. Thereafter, the market will show you where it is heading to. So okay, in this case I'm using MetaTrader 5, so it's playing games. Let's focus on the 4-hour time frame. You see here the trend, somebody used to say the trend is your friend. So the first thing that you need to be aware of, it's what we call the higher highs. Usually there is HH, you see, so I can, yeah, okay, you see there is what you call here the higher highs, the higher highs. Why do we call this the higher highs? We call this the higher highs because the market has moved higher than the previous price. I repeat, we are calling this the higher highs because here the market has moved higher than the previous price. You see here, the market has moved higher than the previous price, higher than the previous price. So that is why this they normally call these the higher highs. So at the top, at the bottom, they call these the lower high. Here there is a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, lower high, a lower high, lower high, as we go, you see. So by you identifying the higher highs and also the lower highs, you are able to see that the trend is going up this side. So when you can identify that the price has gone higher than the previous high, you can trade the reversals. In this case, if let's say we draw a trend line, the trend line will go straight on the lower highs and also on the higher highs. You see, the price is moving from the lower high, higher high. You see, the price is moving like this. I think you can see what I'm trying to demonstrate. Here is a higher high, you see, where the price is touching all these areas. So let me repeat this demonstration because you will need this as we go further. You see here, that's the trend lines that have been respected by the market. So the market will move from this direction downwards. You see, You see? So here we can say that the trend is going up. It's an uptrend. The price has decided to go long. So if you were able to draw the trend lines, you are able to see that no, the price is low, is higher than the previous low. That's the lower high. It's high, the price is higher than the previous low, though the price is lower than the is below the highest price. So you can place a buy. For instance, if somebody identified this okay, let me remove everything. Let's say somebody did identify the price at this area, then you bought here. You'll be holding the positions all the way up. You see, you are following what? The trend. So in this case, we are only using our naked eyes. We are only using a clean chart. We don't need any indicator. So this strategy, it's the basic strategy for Forex trading. You will never go wrong if ever you are following this strategy. So in this case, okay, I've talked about the higher high and the lower high. So now let's talk about the lower high and the lower low. So if you observe the price, it's been going higher, it's been going up. So in this case, the price now, it's making another high. You see, the price is lower than the highest price. That is why it is called the lower high and the lower low. So the price is higher, but it is lower than the previous high. So it is called the lower high. You see? Yes, and this side it is called the lower low. You see? Lower low. The price is going lower than the previous low. The price is going lower than the previous high. So now you can easily draw your trend. You can see that the price is going down. The price is going short. So the price, yeah, you can't risk by placing a buy. Instead, you will place your sell earlier if you were able to identify the price at this area. That no, the price now is a little bit, the higher highs are a little bit lower than the previous low. Then you place your sell here, then you hold. You see that you'll be collecting a lot of pips just holding. Even if you can use 0.01 lot, but if you are following the trend at the right price earlier, some they used to call it the sniper entry, but that's the best way of analyzing the market on a plain chart. So in this case, you follow the trend. Now the trend has been going down. This is the current market price. So the trend has been going all the way down. You see, so at this area it's a support level where the price has tested this level, and now the price is striving to go a little bit higher. The price has been long today. For on the short time frame, the price has been going long, but the trend is a downtrend. So in this case, we will start demonstrating by drawing our trend lines. You see, we'll start demonstrating by drawing our trend lines. You see, and thereafter we will demonstrate by drawing another trend line, because if you are drawing a trend line, it should go on both sides, not one side. The trend line should be on both sides, and make sure that all your trend lines, they are parallel. They are parallel. Yes, parallel. So that's how we do analyze. You see now the price is currently resting on the, let's use this line. The price is currently at below the support level. No, below the resistance level, because the support level is this side. So here is a resistance level. So if the price can break the resistance level, can break this area, it has to move higher. But if it fails to break the level of it fails to break the resistance level, especially on the trend line, this area, the price will be bullish, will go short further downwards. But in this case, we are expecting the price to a little bit move higher. Thereafter, we will see at least another confirmation candle, then the price will go high. How do we see that now the price, it has to go higher? Because the market has to complete some certain structures. It doesn't go a straight line, though it usually respects the Elliott wave principles. But what we normally we look on the current price, and that's how our predictions are made to give us more pips. So guys, here we can draw our first trend line, and also we move to the lower time frame. We also draw our second trend line. Then we also move to another lower time frame. We also draw another trend line. So if all the trend lines that have been drawn are still showing us, showing us that the trend it's still up or down, we follow that instruction. So in this case, let me try to draw at least one specific trend line. Yes, excuse me. Okay, so here, let me remove also the resistance line. Okay, so here we'll start by drawing the trend lines. Mostly I use the 4 hour, from 4 hour. Okay, let's start on the daily time frame. You see, on the daily time frame, let's draw our trend lines. That trend line can be here. Okay, we need to modify it. It is very, very small. Okay, let's put it like this. That's our first trend line. Secondly, let's put it here. Our second trend line. No, it's a first trend line. That's the lower price of the market. You see, according to the daily time frame, the price of the GBP dollar is currently below the trend line, meaning it has to be a sell, though it was pushing upwards today. So when we go to the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, can I minimize? I'm sorry, to minimize so I can see clearly. I'm not used in to analyze using the cell phone, but I'll try. Okay, since my laptop has problems when it doesn't allow me to take videos. So you can see here the market has been testing the trend, respecting the trend. You see here multiple breakout. So now the market has broken the trend line here in this area. You see, so it is starting to be bullish according to the 4-hour time frame. The market has been respecting this trend line. The market has been respecting this trend line, and also on top, the market has been respecting this trend line. It has been respecting this trend line. So this trend line, let me change the color. This trend line below with purple arrows, it acts as a resistance zone. It acts as a support level, support zone, support level. Yes. So if ever the market breaks up from below this support zone, it means the market is deciding to go bullish. So if the market breaks below, it means the market is deciding to go bearish. So in this case, the market has broke the support level, and now it's on the resistance level, though it should be a major resistance level. So the market is expected to break this resistance level so that the price can go and test the resistance level on top. You see, so the GBP dollar is bullish as per according to the chart. So now let's go to the 31-hour time frame. So according to the 1-hour time frame, you see our trend line. Okay, we need to draw another trend line here. So we need to draw another trend line here. Yes, let's draw another trend line. This place, we need to draw one. That's where the price has to be respected, and below here, that's where the price has to be respected. You see, so the price did respect this zone below. So now the 1-hour time frame is confirming with the 4-hour time frame that the price is bullish, currently bullish. You see this area where the two trend lines have crossed are called the area of confluence. These areas, yes, area of confluence. Here definitely you just click a buy. So in today's VIP, that's where that's why we said there has to be a buy stop, because when we were analyzing, we saw that there is an area of confluence when the price gonna be bullish. So today I think we placed our buy stop here. It says 21.29. Let me use the arrow. It's 1.290 something, 1.290 something here. That's where we placed our buy stop here. That's why we placed our buy stop here. So I'm still holding my positions today. I'm expecting the price to test this line up there, so then I can close. Then after you go to the 30 minutes time frame, you see that on the 30 minutes time frame, we same trend lines that we did draw from the 4-hour time frame and the daily. You see here Same trend lines, this trend line has been broken and the price is heading towards the other trend line here. So the price is heading towards this trend line, which is the resistance level. So that's how we do analyze with naked eyes on the chart. So also for further explanations or for further clarifications, just message me below. There is a link below, and the other stuff is you can find other stuff in our website. So I think you can clearly understand the importance of analyzing the chart using your naked eyes. So we can also go to the 15 minutes time frame. You see trend lines, as the trend line has been broken, the price is still bullish. So if we can also go on the 5-minute time frame, though we didn't draw the trend lines, we can also draw the trend lines here, because the price, we can also experience some reversals. Some reversals are possible in the market, and no trader should be affected by reversals. You draw such trend lines so that the reversals cannot hit you harder, because if your account is very, very small, trust me, the reversals can make fun of you. See, can make fun of you. The reversals can make, you see now the price is stuck somewhere, meaning there is a resistance area where the price is right now. So you see the trend line is helping us to know exactly what's happening in the market. So if the price can break this resistance line of the trend line, so we know exactly now we can still keep holding our trades. This is a 15-minute hour time frame. So yes, so you can see now the price, the price is moving. It is above the resistance area. So how do we find an entry here? Let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. What we will do, let's expand a little bit. Let's expand a little bit. Okay, let me remove the lines for Christ's sake. Okay, what we will do here, we need to find an entry. How do we find an entry in this case? First of all, we first draw the vertical line. Okay, this line is refusing to listen. We need to draw a vertical line. Nope, I'm sorry about this. Let's go draw a vertical line. We need to go draw a vertical line. Okay, what about this one? Okay, not this one. Okay, I'm sorry, I need some settings here. Let's make it blue. Okay. Let's click here. No. Okay, the line is refusing to withdraw. Let me remove it for the sake of time. You need to draw the vertical line from this area up to this area, then from this area up to this area, then from this area up to this area. You see, you draw the vertical lines. In fact, you identify where the price will be moving. You see Let me start afresh. You draw from the vertical lines should be like this, where the price has been moving. So you see, you mark the higher low area. You mark the higher low area, meaning you mark where the price is higher than the lowest in the area. In this case, this is the direction. The price is higher here than the lower, higher than the lower. You see, you mark here, and also you mark here. That's where the price is heading. So if the price has tested this area more than 3 times, it means the price, let me remove so that you can see the plain chart. You see this area, the price has tested this area 1, 2, 3 times, more than 3 times. So the price now is going to be upwards because it has tested more than 3 times. So we're expecting the price to go high. Simple as that. So my last tip here, because the video is gonna be too long, for you to be able to know where the price is heading, you need you must be able to mark the higher highs and the higher low, and also the lower highs and also the lower low. For instance, okay, here the price has been consolidating. There is a breakout here. For instance, here the price is lower than the previous high. Here the price is lower than the previous high. Shows it's a lower high here, since the price is lower than the previous high. So you mark these areas. So if the price is testing this level, has tested this level more than 3 times, it means the trend is still going downwards. Same thing applies this side. For instance, here, let me look for an uptrend. You see here, if the price here is higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, if the price keeps on testing this area, testing, this is a trend where the trend has been tested, testing, it means the price is going high, because the price has tested here once, twice, 3rd time here the price is up. Then you can place your trade upwards and you'll find the resistance area that side, and then that's why you take profit. So guys, that's the easiest way of using your naked eyes and also the naked chart to analyze the GBP pairs to maximize your profits. Thank you. Let's meet on our next video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. Thank you so much.